There is one star that shines brighter than the others in a universe where spices carry the secrets of not just flavor, but also well-being. There is no doubt that we are discussing star anise. But what is it about star anise that makes it so remarkable? The peculiar flavor that is reminiscent of licorice is not the only thing that makes it appealing. The possible advantages that it possesses to improve your health are also important. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you on a voyage into the enchanted world of star anise, a spice that not only titillates your taste senses, but also presents a wealth of important health advantages. Star anise is making waves in the world of wellness for a variety of reasons, including its ability to alleviate discomfort in the digestive system and its potential to assist in maintaining respiratory health. It is impossible to overstate the nutritious value of star anise. A substantial amount of iron is included in star anise, in addition to a high concentration of antioxidants such as linalool, quercetin, thymol, terpenina, caffeic acid, anatole, camphor, and coumaric acid. Star anise also includes a wide range of other antioxidants. Sufficient amounts of vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and magnesium are also present in star anise. Not only does star anise include a number of different beneficial chemicals and organic acids, but it also contains lipids, dietary fiber, and shikimic acid, which all contribute to its overall health advantages. Additionally, star anise has a very low calorie content, with only 23 calories included in 1 tablespoon of entire star anise fruit, according to the USDA. Therefore, take a seat, allow yourself to unwind, and get ready to uncover the enormous potential and secret advantages that lie within those pods shaped like stars. We will also discuss the most effective method of consuming star anise, but that is not all. And with that, let us go off on this fragrant adventure together. Number 1. Lower blood sugar, diabetes, which is characterized by elevated amounts of sugar in the blood, is a potentially life-threatening condition. When a person has an excessive amount of sugar in their blood, it can lead to a variety of major health issues, including heart disease, stroke, and issues with the peripheral nervous system and eyesight. According to the findings of a study conducted in 2018 on yeast cells, star anise may possess anti-diabetic characteristics due to the polyphenols that it contains. Beneficial plant chemicals like these can assist in the management of blood pressure, the maintenance of healthy blood vessels, and the promotion of excellent circulation. Number 2 point, improve blood circulation. Iron is the most noticeable mineral that can be found in star anise, and a single tablespoon of these little fruiting bodies contains around 13% of the daily minimum quantity that is suggested for consumption. Although it is highly unusual that one would consume a full tablespoon of these fruits, the iron content of these fruits can, nevertheless, assist in increasing the synthesis of red blood cells. The use of star anise on a daily basis boosts one's energy levels by enhancing circulation and ensuring that the body's extremities receive the appropriate amount of oxygen. Number 3, reduce anxiety and depression. According to the findings of a few studies, star anise may facilitate the alleviation of symptoms associated with depression, particularly when used with antidepressants. In point of fact, there are individuals who assert that it is even more effective than antidepressants. The reason for this is because it has a high amount of vitamin B, which has the ability to boost mood and lessen feelings of stress. Drinking star anise tea is an excellent method to increase the amount of vitamin B that you take in via your diet, and taking vitamin B supplements can help minimize the symptoms of anxiety and depression in persons who are at risk for developing these conditions. Number 4, resolve sleep issues. Several studies have demonstrated that star anise contains a certain degree of calming characteristics. These sedative properties can be due to the high quantities of antioxidants and magnesium that are present in the spice. As a result of its ability to promote the production of certain neurotransmitters that produce calm and sleep, the spice is beneficial for individuals who suffer from insomnia and whose sleep patterns are frequently disrupted. So if you want to get a good night's sleep, be sure to include a cup of star anise tea in your evening ritual. Number 5, improve skin health. Star anise, which has a reasonably high concentration of a variety of antioxidants, has the potential to assist in the removal of free radicals throughout the body, particularly those that are capable of causing oxidative stress in the skin. By doing so, you may reduce the visibility of wrinkles, improve the flexibility of your skin, and conceal existing scars and blemishes, all of which contribute to your skin seeming more youthful and vibrant. Number 6. Improve the immune system. This spice has been used for millennia to cure bacterial illnesses of the stomach and other regions of the body. The antibacterial properties of star anise have been the subject of extensive research and are well known around the world. The antibacterial properties of star anise, which were discovered in a recent study, can assist the body in its battle against dangerous germs and viruses. The immune system is strengthened as a consequence, and the likelihood of contracting an illness is decreased. Number 7. Improve digestion. Anecdotal evidence suggests that star anise is a useful digestive aid, and it is standard practice to consume the fruits containing star anise after meals in order to facilitate normal digestion. Additionally, it can help alleviate bloating and excess gas, as well as alleviate cramps and improve the bacterial balance in your stomach, which is necessary for high nutrition absorption. Efficiency. Number 8. Anti-cancer. Potential. It is possible for this spice to have an effect on oxidative stress in the body because of the wide variety of antioxidants that it contains, which include quercetin, camphor, thymol, and anethol. In the South African Journal of Botany, a group of researchers from Malaysia released a study that said that anethole, which is one of the principal ingredients of star anise, has been shown to have anti-tumor action against breast cancer, cervical carcinoma, fibrosarcoma, and Ehrlich ascites tumor. The findings of this study were published in the year 2017. In the meanwhile, further study is being conducted to determine whether or not it has the potential to slow down the growth of colon cancer. Let's move on to the next topic, which is the most effective technique to include this bright star. It is a wonderful addition to savory dishes like soups, stews, and broths, as well as sweet dishes like pies and ice cream, whether the star anise is crushed or available in its whole form. You might also incorporate star anise into your routine for the evening. It is important to remember to seek the advice of specialists and to appreciate the equilibrium that comes along with your journey toward healing as you explore the allure of star anise. I would want to express my gratitude for your participation in this educational journey. Remember to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to receive other insights into the realm of wellness. I hope that until we meet again, you are able to appreciate the enchantment of star anise and enjoy a life filled with vitality,